What's up? I'm back today with a new video and a new haircut, and I'm really happy with it. And he cut my hair cut my hair, he washed it and put some wax in it, wax on, wax off, all for the price of 12 euros. Now I'm on my way to the main reason I'm here in Barcelona, and it's the game between Barcelona and Manchester United. Really excited. First game between the teams ended 1-0 to Barcelona, and now the second leg is here in Camp Nou. So I think I have to take a cab because I'm running out of time. Really hectic. The traffic is really hectic in Barcelona. Oh shit. Whoa. It's not like Asia, you know, with 1 million cars, but the cars are going really fast. Really fast. So I'm gonna see if this cab is available. No. Okay. See you on the other side. I'm gonna see if I can catch a cab now on the red light. No, damn. They are all full. Have to watch right, left, right, left, right, left every time you cross the street, and never walk when you have a red light. It's a very long way to stadium.
This is the street.
I live in Sagrada Familia, you know?
You live in Sagrada
No,
Familia?
yeah, around there in the hotel. I was going to walk. Long.
This is long,
But it's difficult to get a cab. Every cab is ocupado.
And the bus and the underground is...
Yeah, hectic.
But for me it's easy.
Yeah,
I live in Barcelona.
exactly.
For you,
yes.
no.
Yes, that's why I said no, I take cab.
The go to the stadium for the underground on bus is good.
Yeah.
It's good, but for the people live in Barcelona, no.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yes. And today I don't have time. I want to come to arena early. I can buy Barcelona shirt, you know. So better take cab.
Your first time in Barcelona?
Second
time.
Second time. Yes.
Do holidays?
Sorry?
Holidays.
I come to Barcelona maybe 1 week, and then I will go to Asia. I will travel to Asia, to India, and I will travel around a few months. So yes, you can say holiday. I quit my job, you know. I quit my job. Yes. Bye. Just arrived at the Camp Nou, Europe's biggest football arena, and it's quite hectic over here. People are singing, the police everywhere, traffic everywhere. gonna make my way to the Barca shop and buy my shirt, my Messi shirt. The cab ride was, I think, about 20 minutes. So imagine if I would have walked this way. Excuse me, I want to go to Barca shop. To the Barca shop. That way around. Thank you. Wow. The arena can hold about 99,000 people, and today it's gonna be full. So imagine how many people there is outside the arena. You can hear the Barcelona fans playing the drums. Visca! Visca Barça, Visca de Barça, Visca el Barça. I'm gonna continue walk here around the arena, and hopefully I will find the shop at the arena. Wow, it's far. I have made my way around the arena now, and I can't imagine what it looks like inside the store. Okay, on my way. Here it is. And as I expected, full house. Just gonna look for the things that I want and then leave. I'm now done with the shopping. As you can see, I bought the home shirt with Messi on the back, and it was 105 euros, and it was actually the cheap one. This is not the original that the players use when they play the games. That one costs 170 euros, and it's too much. Yeah, I'm gonna make my way into the arena now. I don't know where it is, but I'll manage. Let's go this way. Road to Madrid. Bara. Oh, thank you. Bye bye. Hey, I'm in. Just gonna find my seat. And maybe something to eat. I'm really hungry. I'm starting to wrap. Yeah, here we go. What to eat? I'm gonna show you the arena. Impressive. 98 or 99,000. Take down the curtain. Hey! There we go. Hey!
Wanna see how? Better than this.
Much better. These are a little bit small. game is over and 3-0 to Barcelona. 2 goals by Messi, 1 by Coutinho. I am very satisfied. Very, very happy. I got to see 2 goals by Messi at Camp Nou. Amazing. And now I'm gonna find something to eat as usual, and maybe head back to the hotel, do some editing, or maybe go out for a drink. I don't know yet. I'm quite tired, but we'll see what happens. I just came back to my hotel and I'm happy to be alive after that crazy bicycle ride. It's 1 AM and it's time to go to bed because I have to check out tomorrow and find a new place to stay for the rest of the days. Yeah, see you tomorrow.